Today, we will improve muscle tone and skin elasticity to reinforce your confidence in the way you present yourself to the world. We'll diminish the 11 lines between our eyebrows, we'll relieve those tired-looking eyes, and we'll sculpt our cheeks. As we age, societal pressures often emphasize youthful beauty, which can significantly impact our self-confidence if we perceive ourselves as looking old. What? Looking old? As if. Accepting the natural aging process is a crucial step in appreciating the beauty of an aging face. Maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and getting good sleep can help you achieve optimal aging. Practicing Third Age Face Yoga daily for 15 minutes will yield results that you can see in just 3 weeks. So, let's get started. Start by tapping gently on your third eye to relax the procerus muscle and stimulate the third eye. Keep breathing and sitting up straight. Next, we're going to flick your 11s with your thumb to further relax the procerus muscle as you bring blood, fresh blood, to the area. Let's finish up by pressing gently between the brows with your index finger and gently making circles as you breathe deeply in and out. Change direction. So relaxing. So, we're going to start with tapping. Go to flicking. And then make circles. It feels really good. And it really will soften this procerus muscle, and it takes away a lot of anxiety and stress. Tapping is great, flicking is great, and so is massaging. In some cultures, aging is celebrated with joy and gratitude, recognizing the gift of a long life. The aging face, therefore, becomes a symbol of this celebration and appreciation. Next, I'll show you some appreciation for your overworked eyes with an energizing routine you can do anytime. But it's particularly nice first thing when you wake up. Now, starting with nice clean hands, place the heel of your hands at the outside tip of your eyebrows and pull up and out slightly. Don't forget to breathe. You can rest your hands on your head and open your eyes as wide as possible, like this. Stare off into the distance and open them wide. Focus on something and breathe deeply in and out. Out of your nose. We're not lifting your eyebrows. We're just opening these eyes as wide as possible and pulling back slightly. Hold this. It is okay to blink. Keep breathing. Now come out of that pose. Take another deep breath in and out of your nose. Next, using your ring fingers, start gently tapping around your eyes while you breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Both tapping and breathing are very calming as they stimulate blood flow. Now we're going to go the other way, other direction. Now you can do these. In fact, I suggest you do these longer than what I'm doing. because I'm just kind of showing you. You can run the video over and over. So, there we are. Another way that the aging face is seen as beautiful in non-youth focused cultures is the appreciation of the beauty that radiates from within, reflecting a person's character and inner strength. These poses will help your cheeks stay strong and lifted, and the skin glowing and plump. Let's do this. Let's begin with the upper cheeks by wrapping our lips over our teeth and bringing our lips together like this. Now we'll lift the corners of our mouths using our cheek muscles like this. We are sitting up straight with shoulders back and down, chest open and heart open. We'll lift and release. Let's do it. Now, on to the lower part of our cheeks. Using 3 fingers, put them on your top lip and spread them apart like this. And we're going to fill one of your cheeks with air like this. Then we're moving it across to the other side like this. Now make it a hard ball that you're pushing. So we're going to use our muscles a little more, and we're keeping our fingers separated to diminish the possibility of making lines on our top lip. Here we go, sitting up straight. Come out of the pose and relax. Can you feel this in your cheeks? Doing it every day for 3 weeks will definitely make a difference. Do these poses daily and you will see results. And if you like what you find here, please subscribe to the channel and come back regularly. It is so important to take responsibility for your self-care, because even more than the results you will see on the outside are the feelings and changes in the way you feel on the inside. Self-care greatly influences how we perceive ourselves by fostering positive self-esteem, increasing self-worth, and promoting a sense of well-being. When we prioritize our needs and participate in activities that support our physical and mental health, we strengthen a positive self-image and develop a stronger sense of self. Until I see you next time, stay centered.